In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mortgage calculator in Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable tool that shows your monthly mortgage payment and the total cost of the loan, all driven by a few inputs you can adjust anytime. Start by opening Excel and setting up a clean worksheet so everything is easy to read. In the top left, type mortgage calculator as a title and make it stand out with a larger font. Just below that, create labels for the inputs you'll provide: loan amount, annual interest rate, loan term, years, and payments per year. Place these labels in a single column so you can enter your values directly to the right. Keeping inputs in one column helps avoid mistakes and makes the formulas easier to follow later. Now, enter your values next to each label. For loan amount, type the principal you plan to borrow. Format that cell as currency so it reads clearly. For annual interest rate, enter the percentage rate from your lender. Format it as a percentage so Excel treats it correctly. For loan term, years, type the number of years you'll repay the loan. For payments per year, use 12 for monthly payments. If your schedule is different, like biweekly or weekly, you can use 26 or 52, and the calculator will still work. Next, create a spot labeled monthly payment. In the cell to the right of that label, enter the PMT formula, which calculates the payment for a loan with constant payments and a constant interest rate. Type Microsft PMT rate NPER PV. Replace rate with your annual interest rate divided by payments per year. Replace NPR with loan term, years, multiplied by payments per year, and replace PV with the loan amount. For example, it might look like each column PMT B4, B6, B5, B6, B3 if your inputs are in column B. The minus sign makes the result display as a positive amount since payments are cash outflows. Format this result as currency to 2 decimal places. Finally, calculate the total loan cost. Create a label for it, and in the cell beside it, multiply the monthly payment by the total number of payments. That's your monthly payment times loan term, years, times payments per year. This gives you the total amount you'll pay over the life of the loan, including both principal and interest. That's it. Update any input to instantly see how your monthly payment and total cost change, and use this sheet to compare scenarios with clarity and confidence.